Check out my champion croissants. I'm sure they're going to taste just fine. Our delicious Sri Lankan tea.
That didn't last long.
Hey everybody! Day 14 of our mandatory quarantine. I can't believe it's almost over. And what a treat this morning was. Our good friends Pam and Mike stopped by with this wonderful little gift. Marina and Trevor, happy Jesus Friday. Wishing you both a great last day in mandatory quarantine. Here are a few things for you guys to enjoy during your Easter long weekend. Can't wait to catch up in person in the near future. Hearts. Air hugs, Pam and Mike. P.S. Everything in here was and has been disinfected by yours truly because times are weird. I fucking love it. I can't even believe there's such a thing as a quarantine birthday present, but oh my god, we love it. What do we got in here? We got ourselves a beautiful Pinot Grigio. Got some wonderful Easter flowers. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells like freedom. And then we got some sweets from our sweets. Some hot cross buns, baby. How thoughtful. Like, oh my god. Anything else in here? Oh, a whole bunch of love. Love. Yes. You know, I don't think giving and receiving flowers will ever get old. Like, it's just one of the most beautiful and thoughtful things someone can do. A little taste of freedom.
Don't show all the finger smudges on my screen.
Your phone needs to be disinfected. I can't even see what you're doing. All I see is fingerprints.
I should be playing this game in a hazmat suit.
Woo!
Brady, you got something good for us?
I'm not going down that route. I did that first week of isolation, and I lost a Facebook friend, and Trevor started calling me a flat earther, so
Oh, God. Okay, she's not going to go down.
I'm not going to go down that slippery slope.
That's bad.